I want to teach you how to publish a demo of your app, then followed by how to publish it to Google Play Store. This is the app we are working with here. Click on it. Yes. Now we want to generate a app demo so that you can see the nature of the app, how it appears on your phone. You go to the publish, click on publish, demo, then Android. If you want to use iOS demo, you click on iOS demo. You see it now, but this time around we are going to use Android. So click on request demo. Now we have some errors. You see, it shows us that there are some errors in the app. Can you see now? So errors were found in some elements. And what are those errors? You see some elements are empty. Some of those elements are empty. So we just be taking it one after another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to remove those errors. Common food, because it's telling us about the error in the screen we have already created. Click on the common food screen. That shows that there is an emptiness in the common food here. It is empty. So since we still need the screen, we don't need to delete it. Let's just put a text inside it. We put a text inside it to make sure that the screen is not empty. So let's call it common food. Common food. Call it common food. Common foods. That's just it. That one is gone. Common food is done. And the community. Let's click on the community and see. So let's do the same thing here and put the text element inside it. Then write community. So the reason why it shows error is because it is empty. So we try to put something reasonable inside it. That one is also solved. Let's go to market. Then let's drop a text element there. Then we write market. Then let's put the text in the center. That one is also done. Let's go to marketplace. We put marketplace. Then centralize it. Yes, we have two to go. Pizza. Put text elements inside it. Then write pizza. Then centralize it. Now it remains just only one, which is soap. Put text element here and write soap. Centralize it. Yes, I think we are good to go. Now let's republish it again and see. Android, generate demo. Sometimes it used to take up to 3 minutes before it can finish generating the demo. So we need to wait for it. Let's wait for it. Instead of so the app is generating the demo right now. there are some things I need to show you from here. Now the demo has been generated already, so test your app on an Android smartphone or tablet just by clicking on the request. So this QR is given to you. You can go to Google Play Store and download QR application on your Android phone. Then you use it to scan it. As soon as you scan it, the thing will generate the URL directly on your phone that you will click and download it directly to your phone. The QR will expire within 24 hours. So that is just how to generate the demo. So you can see, you will be able to see what you are doing on your phone. You know if it is perfect or it is still defect to some areas. Now we want to, there are some app marketplace that is available to us here where we can publish it to. We have the Mobincube. The Mobincube is for the company, the platform where the app is being developed. Then Google Play Store, then other Android marketplace, then App Store, which is for iOS. So now you want, before you can have access to publish to these three, you need to first publish it to Mobincube. Click on publish. Now you want to publish, you can see the heading, publish your app so that anyone can download it. So the already you generate the Mobincube view, you can view it on the Mobincube store here. It is free. So now you click on publish. You can see you must publish the app first. Click on publish. You can see now the first version of your application is ready. You can see publish version 2. If you want to publish another one now, it will be version 2. Version 1 is ready. It's now ready. So it's being generated from the Mobincube App Store. You can see here from the Mobincube App Store. Let's check it. So the app is not found yet. So let's go back on until it's finished here. It's still generating. Now version 1 is published. It remains version 2 there. Let's go and reload the tab and see if the app is already in Mobincube App Store. So you can see it right now. The second version will be made available to Google Play Store. So before you can publish the app to Google Play Store, you need to do some things. Can you see now? So you click on Google Play Store, then from here you either download this PEPK, download it, or if at all there is you have an app bundle, so you just need to download everything here. But there is an information you need to know. You see, Google Play is the main app store for Android. So in case you want your app to be published so anyone can download them, you should really publish them on Google Play. So you need a publisher account. You'll be charged $25 for that account, and we let you publish as many apps as you want forever. That is the fact you need to know about this, that publishing app on Google Play Store, or you call it Play Console developer account, you need to pay $25, and that is the minimum you can find anywhere. If you go to the window marketplace, you pay $100 and it is annual. If you go to iOS, you pay $100 and it is annual. So, but for Google, you pay $25 and it is lifetime. So for you to start publishing your app to Google Play Store now, you need to subscribe to Google Console developer account and be ready to pay your $25. It is for life. Let me tell you that this $25 is nothing to what you, even for the first payment you will get, everything you will recover back. You can't get your first payment less than 50,000 naira. So that is just that. So by the time you get your account ready, then you come here to generate the APK here. Now the APK is ready. You can see now it has been generated here. APK in zip format. So this is what you will upload to Google Play Store when you want to upload it to Play Store, but you just need to keep it somewhere in your computer. So at the same time, to generate the bundle, you click here also. You can see now it's generating the bundle already. You can also install the same thing on your phone directly. So it is not compulsory that until you publish it onto Google Play Store. But you know, one problem about Google product is that if you try to install any app on your phone without going through the normal channel, Google will tell them that application will destroy their phone. So that is one of the reasons, and mostly for marketing and a lot more. So let's wait for it to finish generating it. So it has finished generating the bundle. So you know, in the past you used to use APK. Google used APK format, but the thing has been changed. So this one is necessary, PAPK format. So that has been generated now. So you can also publish it to other Android market that are not Google Play Store. Then you can publish it to App Store, iOS Store. So that is just it. I think we are done with this one. So the next video will tell you how to publish your app to Google Play Store from the Play Console developer account.